Okay, we're at that moment where Philippe brought his templates cut on his laser machine. So Philippe, explain how it's been done.
Yeah, well, the first ones I cut out, I did off the drawings, and well, I mean, things were obviously a little bit different with the sander, so we had to do some adjustments. So I got a couple of them, but I think we found the right size, the right shape, and well, Pierre's gonna do some sparks with the plasma cutter, and well, we're pretty much closing up the project. There's only the guard left to do, and well, then I'm going to do a lot of finishing and all that stuff at home, so Pierre can gain his floor space back and he doesn't think about adopting my sander so much.
Can reverse the adoption procedures. And got in the fridge, it got cold. And we evolved the design a little bit about how we're going to do this, and it's 40 mil body works sheet metal, and we kind of decided not to do a continuous weld around the you know, the shape and everything, so we're going to go with pop rivets, and we're adding some sheet metal to do a fold, and in this fold we'll pop the rivets and everything. So we'll let you see the cutting out, and you enjoy some plasma cutting. It's an Hyperterm Power Max 1000. It's a few years old, but I mean, I like that machine a lot. It's really making a very nice job. It's reliable, and it's I mean, I would buy it again. Another cut. See how plasma cut edge, this is the bottom of it, a little bit, oh, I mean dross is just about non-existent, and top part of it. If you go with the right intensity, the right speed, no hesitation, I think you can see that the finish, like the line is very straight and no edges, no nothing. I don't know how clean this can be. Hope. Anyway, that's about it. We'll make another one, and it's the second one is a secret. Get her done. We call that a manual plasma cam.
I moved a bit. Oh no, that's the, okay.
C'est bon.
That's excellent. What's underneath? Oh.
Manual plasma cam. Hope you see good.
Don't let your magnets hit together or they'll just snap.
The other deadly point for them is heat them up. They're not magnetized anymore. See, I've hesitated a little bit. I just went slower a little bit. See the unregular movement? That's what it did. We'll clean it up a little bit, but I mean, I'm crying.
You're fired.
I'm fired? Oh, no. Yes, boss. Can you fire me Friday afternoon instead?
No.
Early? Right after lunch? Oh, boy. You're mean.
Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Don't make me go there for nothing.
Yeah, you come into work just to get fired.
Oh, that's
nah.
That's bad.
You're too good for that, so.
Thank you. Bon. Écoute, quoi qu'il y a quoi ici de canter. Moi, chaque fois, je bouge de quoi ici.
It's as bad as my shop, trust me.
Je me penche pour ramasser quelque chose parce qu'il s'est tombé, mais en me penchant, le cul se fait tomber d'autres choses. Oh, on pourra faire des niaiseries de cette place. The problem in this shop, Philippe, is small, eh? And I mean, he knows he's seen me. I just bend down to get something, you know, I just dropped, you know. And while I bend down, my big ass hits something in the back, and twice as much stuff falls down too, you know. And so on, you know, as I turn around, I mean, the whole shop is on the floor.
Yep, just like my place. No square feet.
He's humbled because his place is pretty clean. No many square feet, but cleaner, much cleaner.
Less years of accumulating stuff. I'm on my way though.
His wife gets in the garage once in a while.
No, that's why I leave the chips by the door at the bottom. She doesn't come in.
He can't always like contain the stink. So when she smells something stinky, she goes there and say, the first thing she talks about, not the stinky stuff, the mess.
Yep.
Something dirty in the garage.
There's sparkly stuff all over the floor.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, it stinks in the house.
Yeah, I get that one. The laser is very good for that one.
Cold like hell, but we'll get the smoke outside.
So far my neighbors haven't complained too much, but I think it's coming.
The garage door opening. You know how to make a neighbor complain?
How?
Grind outside every day. Don't worry, he'll complain. If he doesn't complain the first day, no, it's coming. Hey!
All right, we're gonna bend a bit, or
A little bit of cold, humid air.
It's snowing this morning.
A few flakes, yeah.
Yeah, April 23rd, and it's snowing.
See, the crane is nice. He just moved this. That's outside. It's just hazy. Anyway. Rotten weather again. We had this all winter, all spring. And tired of it. And it's cold outside. Must be about, I don't know, 4 degrees Celsius. Like, you know, fridge temperature. 4 degrees Celsius is like around 40 Fahrenheit.
Yeah, about
yeah, fridge temperature. Anyway, gee, we'll, I don't know.
Oh, here comes the cat.
We're not rotting. Hey, gros tata. Where's
Oh, he was
tata?
by the door.
Oh, he's still by the door. I don't know if I can catch him in the act. Let's see that. That's a versatile crane. I have no versatile, but you're flying over the pile of junk. Hey, gros tata, tu là, calice. Is he there?
I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he was just inside the door.
Caught him in the act.
Busted again.
Bye, Minou.
There's a reason it took a week to do this Sanders. We have way too much fun.
Call that fun?
Yeah. We got way too much fun doing this stuff. That's why it took a week.
My wife came in this morning when I was having a bath. Say, you want me to rub your back? Oh no, Philip's gonna do it later.
No. You're gonna rub your own back. You're gonna rub your own back.
How do you say? Rub my back, I'll rub yours.
That's wash my back and I'll wash yours, not rub. So rub's a bit too personal. I can wash with a pressure washer. That's okay.
He doesn't even put his face in camera.
I want people to see me saying this? No, no.
No, but they see you now.
Yeah, well.
After you said it. Okay, it's getting cold enough. We'll close the door. have enough air. Yeah. I mean, we'll breathe in the rest of the dust. No, not the lights, the door. The dark faces are gone.
The heat's back.
I mean, maybe not the heat's back, but the cold's stopping the entering.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I hate the cold. Bon. Comment qu'on va éditer ça pour pas que ça ait l'air trop fou? Deux singes qui font des grimaces en avant de la caméra.
Ben, we fold?
Oh, yeah, we go in the folding machine. Oh, that's another story.
Bending brake. Yep.
Yeah. At 36 inches.
Or we hope.
Oh, yes, 36. I'm sure it's 36. It'll have to be 36. I need it to be 36. We need it to be 36. Oh, fuck, ils vont vraiment en nasty de dégâts que this. That's a nice Brown Bugs 163-B, Hamilton, Canada. This is good stuff. Let me check it out.
Okay.
Yeah, no, but
Put them into wads with Checky. You're going to check it out off the edge.
yeah, we'll make a 90 Canadian way. Yeah, 90.
Precision bending. CNC. Here's the Nori Dakotas.
He says it's the last time he comes here.
No.
He's catching it.
Too much fun.
Boom.
Too much fun.
Not right at all.
We're moving.
Yep. Choo-choo along.
Yeah.
Choo-choo. We're choo-choo along. Choo-choo along. Way it goes. Like this is gonna be, if you can see good, riveted top there. That'll make it, you know, a decent finish. And we'll do the rounding around the corners, going as far as we can down there. And this other little thing with the proper measurements, we'll get a nice
Got a nice garden.
guard. Yep. And you know, starting to look like a guard. This is a Cambodian tire pair of snippers. They're, you know, decent. 3 pairs, no, pair of 3, the sets of 3, you know, like the left hand and center, left, right and center. Yeah, you're right. Good thing he's with me today. I'm still having the vapors of cleaning my granite table, and you know, about $10, but they have to make it on special.
And they're guaranteed for life.
Yeah. And also, what bugs me with those kinds of stores, like they make specials, you know, regularly $39.99 and the super specials 75% discount at $10.
Yeah. And they still make money.
And they still make money. And the other question is, are you getting ripped off at 39? Because I'm sure there's still like, bah, not ripping you off at 9, but you know, as you go up, the rip-off gets bigger. Okay, so we need round shapes to mold the ends. I think we got something that would do a decent job here. Oops.
Stiff?
Stiff. I'm not gonna roll very tightly because I don't want it to be so small that I have to unroll it, but that should be pretty.
That's the small end.
I'd say it's pretty not bad just by eyeballing. Oh, the other one, the bigger one. Okay, this wheel is bigger, and according to my knowledgeable calculations, don't laugh, we're on air. It should get, should get us there.
Bang on, I think.
Well, I'd say it's not bad at all.
No?
Finally, it's very good. On a trouvé une méthode de fun d'en faire.
Yeah, making holes in sheet metal's usually not fun, but Pierre's got a shortcut. I think that'll work very well.
We made the holes for a reason before. We thought we were going to be using some rivets, but we're going to make our own rivets. How do they look to you? I'd say they look not bad. And we'll do the rest without you? Okay.
I go out of frame, but my eyes are closed.
Oops.
What'd you do? Weld the clamp to the guard?
No. I'll show you later.
Don't make me laugh, I'll shake.
It's your guard. It's tacked by the inside, and the sheet metal is not that clean because the dark sooty stuff is shitty stuff turning to soot. Okay, this is the project from Philippe's project, and let's say we made the guard from scratch, from sheet metal. It's almost ready to be painted, and I'll back up and show you a general view of the sander itself. Okay, this is the base we did. Let me show the front a little bit. This is 1/8 of an inch on the sides, and the tops are like a 1/4 inch steel. It's pretty, you know, it's getting pretty heavy. Philippe manufactured the, you know, these big,
The feet.
big feet. I like their bridge feet. It's pretty solid.
Nothing too strong ever broke.
Like our friend Tom Lipton says. This is what is this
Steel?
No, the mechanism that
The head.
Shopmate or something?
Yeah, it came from the Shopsmith Mark V. Somebody was selling it on eBay for a reasonable amount of money, so I jumped on it, and it was the start of this project actually.
Mm-hmm. And it tilts like it goes flat, goes up. Ouch.
Whoops. It was nice. It'll go down horizontal, vertical.
Yeah, it fell hard, eh?
Yeah, right on my foot.
Yeah. See that?
It works well.
I think we should run it.
You want to run it?
Oh yeah, sure. With all the trouble we had, we're running it. That was the project. Philip was going to have to do some finishing in this place, but most of it's done now and functional, just like cosmetic leftovers.
Yeah, just
like
spit and polish.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll put up a little video, the couple of the progresses, you know, of tidying it up and painting it up and all that, so I should be putting those up in a while.
Yeah, and just I'm not sure how long it's going to take me to put this up, but it's maybe people want to know what your channel's name and how to reach.
Well, the channel name I put up right now is Phil's Project, Phil's Projects, and well, look me up, and I think you also find a link on this video off Pierre's page also.
Yeah, I'll put up a link.
Yeah, hey, we got her done.
Yeah, sure. And we'll meet again for other projects. We had fun.
Yeah, I mean, you're such a great teacher, and you got the patience of an angel, so yeah, definitely I want to come back and keep on learning stuff. And
wow, thank you. I wasn't
awesome.
I wasn't expecting to be so
well,
you were like
yeah,
complimented.
a lot of experience, and I'm starting at this, so this it's a whole school for me, so it's pretty awesome.
Okay, so that was fun, Philip. So
Yeah.
I'm sure we meet again for lots of other stuff. We still have, you know, like other projects for meetings and
Yep.
projects together. So we'll pack this up in the truck and we'll go for other projects and keep on rolling.
Yeah, one after the other. That's the way to do it.
Okay, that was nice.
Ciao, folks.